This video is on data roles and responsibilities. There are many people in an organization responsible for data. Data owners are either individuals or teams who make decisions such as who has the right to access and edit data and how it's used. Example would be VP of sales owning customer relationship data. The owner is responsible for ensuring that appropriate steps are taken to protect the data and is responsible for implementation of policies, guidelines, and memorandum of understanding that defines the appropriate use of the data. Owners may not work with their data every day, but are responsible for overseeing and protecting a data domain. Then we have data controller. Data controller is a person, company, or body that determines the purpose and means of personal data processing. They're basically in charge of the data's processing purposes and methods. Data controller is responsible for ensuring that all personal data processing complies with the data protection regulations. They also oversee process from obtaining data consent to enabling data usage for the required purpose. Then we have data processors. Data processors carry out various data processing tasks for business, such as storing data, retrieving data, running the payroll, marketing activities, or providing security for data. Data processors work on behalf of data controllers, or sometimes this can be a third party. For example, payroll process within an organization can be utilized by the payroll department and payroll company. The payroll department would play a role as a data controller and defines the payroll amount and time frame, whereas the payroll company would act as a data processor and processes payroll and stores employee information. Then we have data custodian. Data custodians will be responsible for the accuracy of data, for keeping all the data privacy and security associated with the data that is stored in the system. This may include a user or group of users that will identify or set labels associated with data. The user groups will keep track of all laws and regulations associated with data so that the organization complies with all of those roles. They're responsible for implementing the security control for the data and determine who has access to that information. Then we have data protection officer. Data protection officer is the higher level manager who is responsible for the organization's overall data privacy policies. Their responsibilities include upholding data protection laws and practices, monitoring compliances, supporting business operation and data handling, notifying team and authorities of data breaches, and fostering a security-aware culture.